Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the Lua file and making sure you can access it. This matters because wrong path or permissions block editing. Once you know the folder, open your chosen editor. I recommend Visual Studio Code for syntax highlighting, but any text editor works. Make sure you have red/write permission. If not, change permissions now so you won't be interrupted later. Once done, drag or open the file from the editor's File menu to begin editing immediately. You should now inspect the content to understand what the script does before changing it. This prevents accidental breaks. Once the file is open, enable Lua syntax highlighting or install a small extension. It clarifies tokens, strings, and comments. Next, read top to bottom to find requires, global variables, and the entry point so you know execution flow. Also confirm file encoding is UTF-8 and line endings match your runtime. Mismatches can cause subtle runtime errors. You finish by editing cautiously and saving often. Small commits or copies let you revert if needed. Once you've saved changes, run the file with the Lua interpreter using Lua filename. Lua in a terminal, or use your editor's run feature to see immediate output. If an error appears, use the line number and message to locate the issue and check require paths and environment variables. If nothing runs, verify you're in the right directory and that the Lua.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.